guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I lay my wig. It's real simple and easy. And so usually you can start off with braided hair. What does some most people do? I don't have my hair braided, so I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. How to lay your wig with your hair just being flat ironed. So I usually just comb it down, and then I'm gonna put it in the middle part, and I'm gonna put it in 2 pigtails. Step I do is I go ahead and I lay my edges. I do my real edges with the edge booster. So just take some on the little edge brush. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. And then after they're both in some I look like I'm 12. But after they're both in some pigtails, then I just grab a whole bunch of bobby pins and I flip my ponytail across. And then I just bobby pin it. And then I get a stocking cap. This one is real old, but hey, it's just put it on my head. And then next I got to be freeze spray, and I'm gonna use the got to be glue, the gel. gel, and I get just a little bit, and I put it right here. I'm gonna get some more. That wasn't enough. Just enough for it to stick. I take some of that free spray and spray it right on top. And then I take my blow dryer and I dry it until it gets sticky. And then I grab my old wig. Y'all, I done had this wig for like 3 years. And all I did was add some little highlights in the front. And it's still good. So grab my old wig. And I placed it right in the center. And I rub it down. I haven't brushed it in a little minute, so. But I take a red tail comb, a real thin red tail comb, and I take a little bit of this gel. And I take some on here, and I put it. It's already sticking, but I put a little right in the middle. And then I rub it down. And then I take my blow dryer and I blow dry it, and I like rub it as it's drying, so I make sure it's sticking. So that baby was stool. And then I just grab some more of my edge booster and I play with the little middle part. Grab some of them little fake baby hairs. Just take some oil. Yeah, this is the best oil ever. And I'm not gonna curl it or anything anymore. Well, yeah, I'm not gonna curl it. It's okay like this. I kind of like old waves better than like new tight curls. I don't like that. They don't fit me. And then I'll take some Lottie Body mousse and I put that right on top. And I will usually like if I just washed it, I'll use my hot comb to flatten it, but it's already flat, so I don't even need to even turn it on. And then final step, I take my brush. Y'all, this brush is so hard from this, like, girl. But I take this and brush and I spread on my brush, and then I brush it down to make sure all my little flyaways is gone. And that is it. That is how I lay my hair. So thank y'all for watching, and I would, like I said, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box of this hair. This is an oldie but goodie. This is some good hair. And yeah, if you go on like my social medias, then you can see it curled and stuff, but I'm not about to curl it in this video. So thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.